Are you tired of feeling sluggish, stressed, or just not your best self? What if we told you there's a natural way to boost your energy, support your nervous system, and feel amazing every single day? Introducing Nerve Fresh supplements. Your ultimate solution for optimal health and vitality. Packed with powerful natural ingredients, Nerve Fresh is designed to support your nervous system, reduce stress, and give you the energy you need to conquer your day. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to take on the world. With Nerve Fresh, you're not just taking a supplement, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with Nerve Fresh. Why not join them? Don't let fatigue and stress hold you back any longer. With ingredients like ashwagandha, B vitamins, and magnesium, Nerve Fresh is scientifically formulated to help you feel your best naturally. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our customers are saying. Nerve Fresh has been a game changer for me. I feel more energized and focused than ever before. Sarah, verified customer. Ready to take control of your health? Don't wait. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount just for you. Click the link below to order your bottle of Nerve Fresh supplements today. Your journey to better health starts now. Choose Nerve Fresh supplements because you deserve to feel your best every day. Order now and feel the difference.